What do you really want? Take a pause, take 5 seconds. Have you asked yourself the question lately? What do you really want? Take a deep breath. What comes through your mind? The chances are that what comes through your mind is what you want to get done, what you want to achieve. I want to do this and that. I want to achieve this and that. Now, think for a second that it's done. You have achieved it. You have done it. Ask yourself again, what is it you really want? The chances are that you will then discover deeper aims, deeper goals, other things, something that a wider vision of what you want to do and achieve. And now you can ask yourself a critical question. Is getting everything done getting you to the point where you can achieve these bigger aims? Is getting your day-to-day job, just doing the work, and is the output delivering the kind of outcome you want? That's a difficult question. As you think deeper about what you really want, you'll discover that it's not just about you. Will your customers help you to get what you want? Will your customers actually sustain the growth and profitability you're looking for? Will your people actually help you? Will the guys you work with, will they give you their initiative and their idea and their energy to help you do what you want to do? Or will they resist and be passive and hinder you? Will your suppliers, will they bring the technologies you need, and will they bring the energy, or will they try to actually sell you stuff you don't need and hinder you? Same thing. And what about the other stakeholders, your bankers and the local people, your competitors? So this is a very deep question, because suddenly achieving the deeper aims that we have is not just about what we do. It's about how we better align what other people want to do as well. So how do we do this? Well, in Lean, our starting point is customer satisfaction. I mean, this is a pretty good starting point because it gives a thread throughout the organization. So we can ask ourselves the question, what is the first thing we need to learn in order to better satisfy customers? What do we need to learn now? What do we need to learn now to better respond to their requests right now? Now, as you ask this question, it gives you a quicker response, and this is essentially what Just-in-Time and Jidoka give you, is a way to respond faster to customer requests. So as you respond faster, your entire organization will adapt. This is a natural thing to do. You will shape things differently, you will respond, you will change your processes, and you respond. This is what we call single loop learning. You relearn adaptation, but is this taking you to what you really want? For instance, as a writer, I'm posting things on the net and people respond. I want to have more responses. One possibility is to have more sensational titles, to use what they call clickbait, things that attract attention so people come and read. But is this what I really want? No, it's not. What I want is to write deeper, more insightful text, to have a deeper conversation with a select group of people so we can build a new image of the world together. This is very different. So I need to have that distance as well. And this is where Lean is really interesting, because this is about what we call the double loop learning, the second loop of learning. As we look at how we solve problems and as we look at how we respond, we study how we frame problems, we express them, we study how we respond. We can look back and start looking at how we see the situation in our mental models. And we can also see, well, we need to change in our mental models, and this is where it gets really exciting. This is where you can see, by taking this step back, you can see the step, where is it I have to change my mind in order to achieve what I really want. Now, changing your mind is the aim of Lean thinking. It's a deeper thinking so that you can align other people and yourself to a different picture and get where you want. Now, this is what we call double loop learning. First you respond, then you change your mind by studying your response. And in this way you start framing directions for improvement that is a complete strategy for change. So thinking deeply is it's about aligning our immediate day-to-day responses. We get the job done and we respond faster and quicker to the changes in the environment, as well as the deeper thing we need to understand, the change in our mental models, so that we understand correctly the situation and start investing in what really matters to achieve what we really want.